UltraColor Max direct-to-film transfers are simplifying printing, pricing, and production for apparel decorators around the country. In this video, I'll continue my series on UltraColor Max with reaching and decorating for different markets. If you're a t-shirt business that specializes in fashionable designs, well, this video's for you. We've created these designs for the Blooming Claire boutique. They include fine detail, lots of pattern in the design, and color gradients, showing that UltraColor Max can not only do unlimited color, but it can do extremely fine detail across many different fabrics. Let's head over to the heat press and let me show you how to decorate with UltraColor Max. We're going to start with a quick and easy application so you can see exactly how UltraColor Max direct-to-film heat transfers work. I'll be pressing on this 100% cotton district tee. I'll conduct a preheat just to remove the moisture that cotton tends to hold and also get rid of any wrinkles. UltraColor Max direct-to-film transfers come built in with the adhesive on the back and your design on the front. You position your design and can see through the carrier to make sure it's lined up straight. Then all we do is lock the heat press down for 290 degrees, 12 to 15 seconds at a medium pressure. UltraColor Max direct-to-film transfers are a hot peel, which means as soon as the heat press opens up, I'm able to grab the corner of the transfer, remove the backing, and it's completed. I'm ready to move on to my next garment. Look at all the colors in that design, thin lines, lots of show through to make sure you get a really nice soft feel without any cutting or weeding for this fashion tee. Let's move on to our next item. Our next product that we're going to decorate is a zip-up hoodie. This zip-up hoodie is from Sport Tech, and I'll need an accessory that I like to use, and it's a heat printing pillow. I'll place the pillow into place on my heat press, and I'm going to split open the hoodie and thread it on. It's really beneficial to have a high-quality heat press when you're working with UltraColor Max because you can hit so many different items and placement locations. You don't want your heat press holding you back. So having something that's threadable is super important. Now I've used the pillow so the zipper will sink directly down in, giving me a nice even pressure area. Anytime you add extra thickness to your heat printing area, you need to adjust the pressure on your machine to ensure it's accurate. We've preheated. Now I'll take my UltraColor Max transfer, position it into place on the left chest location, and lock the heat press down. It's almost too quick and too easy to be true. 290, 12 to 15 seconds, hot peel. It's so simple. With this application complete, it actually peeled the backing for me. That's how hot of a peel it is. I'm going to rotate the garment and do a back print location to increase branding. Because cost is so low with the UltraColor Max direct-to-film transfers and it's so beneficial to gang sheet when you're ordering, meaning grouping lots of logos up, you're going to want to add additional placements to your garment to be able to increase the value. In this particular case, I have my left chest logo, and so I'm going to do a back right placement on the bottom hem of the garment. Adding something as simple as an additional design is going to increase the value of the product and make it look a lot more retail for your client. I think that's absolutely critical when we're dealing with fashion blanks and fashion clients. And this garment is complete. Let's load our last garment. In this case, we'll be doing a traditional hooded sweatshirt. Just for simplicity, I'll keep the pillow on there. It won't hurt anything since I already have the pressure set up. And I'll be doing a left chest application. I can already feel the moisture coming out of this garment when it's underneath the heat. So I want to make sure I preheat. And what you'll see is you'll see a little bit of a discoloration in the garment because it is red. When we remove the moisture from the garment, once the moisture returns, probably about a half hour to an hour after it's pressed, it will return back to color. Let's position this nice, delicate left chest logo. Super fine lines on this design with no outlines at all. You get exactly the image that you want. And we'll rotate this around and we will print the back now. Whenever you're printing the back of a hooded sweatshirt, little tip I'd like to give is always make sure your placement is a little further down, because you have to think somebody's going to be wearing this usually with the hood down and hanging below. So I'll be looking to start my placement right at this location. Let's preheat first. Position my design. And heat apply. One last print location to show you how quickly and easily you can add additional placements is our sleeve. In this case, we'll do the right sleeve, which is opposite the left chest. I'm going to open up that sleeve and just kind of flatten it so the seam is underneath. I will lay that as flat as I can across my pillow. The seam is completely centered underneath here. I can feel that, although it's tough for you to see on camera. And I'm going to support my garment and conduct a preheat. And I'm going to position my design, just the perfect fit, and lock it down. Let's take a close-up look at the completed results. So as you can see, decorating fashionable apparel can be easier with UltraColor Max direct-to-film heat transfers. You can accomplish any logo with any placement on nearly any product. And best off, you can calculate the cost for your design right now. All you need to do is take the width and multiply it by the height. Then multiply that result by 0.06. That's 6 cents per square inch. And it's that easy. That is your cost per transfer. Now keep in mind, there is a $25 order minimum, so you may have to group up several designs to order what we call a gang sheet to be able to accomplish the job. That's going to lower the cost and allow you to get products with lower minimums by grouping up different designs. So this is UltraColor Max. If you want to get started, all you need to do is visit Stahls.com and upload your artwork. We'll make the transfer for you, ship it to you, and you just heat apply. How easy is that? Give it a try.